Okay, so they sent us this magnetic whiteboard here. It has adhesive on the back, so it just sticks to the back there, but then it has this magnet on this side here that will hold on to things on this side. It's got this film that we just peel off there and stuff, and got to get the rest of the air bubbles out of it and stuff. But really nice size. This one is, they make them in all different sizes, but they sent this to us so we could show it to you, and I think it's like a 24 by, I don't know, 30 or something like that, kind of a whiteboard, magnetic whiteboard, and we're just going to put it here on the refrigerator, and then we'll be able to write all of our notes on it and our itinerary and our schedule and all that kind of stuff. So good stuff. It seems like really nice quality. We just put it up there, and I haven't pushed all the air bubbles out of it and pulled all the film off of it yet, but definitely looks like that's going to be really handy and useful. And I use a lot of dry erase and wet erase markers and stuff like that. So this is going to be perfect for us keeping track of things on the refrigerator. How about that? Good stuff.